We are going to do an excursion today. That's right, you guessed it, another snorkeling adventure because it's Queensland, it's the Great Barrier Reef. We're going to get picked up in a little bit by this company called Ocean Rafting. Going to hit up 2 snorkeling spots, going to check out Whitehaven Beach. Very highly recommended place. A lot of people that we've interacted with have spoken highly about the Whitsundays, so I'm looking forward to taking in the views, enjoying the white sand. Anchor's up, we are ready to go. 30 minutes to the snorkel spot. Yay.
Once we are secure, folks, I'll have a quick 5-minute chat about snorkeling here in Mackerel Bay. I'll tell you where to go, what to do. We'll get the show on the road, get you in the water having fun.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. Stuck its head out. Look at that. We've already seen our first turtle.
So excited.
Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh cool.
Go. And they made it spend 500 meters.
Alright, so we're at spot 2 of 2. Apparently there's more Nemos and a massive clam. It's like a shortcut. about 2:30. It's time to get back on the boat. Cheers.
20 minutes we had to go, folks. Hold on.
Thank you.
If you do need a lift home, folks, no worries. If you want to meet the deckhands, feel free to stand up, team. Have a stretch. Have a good dig around all the storage boxes. Make sure you do grab everything, okay?
Here's your ones. These are my ones.
Just when you're ready. Thank you. Thank you.
How was everyone's day today?
Excellent.
So good.
Really
That's
good.
awesome. That's what we like to hear. But other than that, team, I hope you had an amazing day. Thank you for coming and experiencing our backyard for what it is. So happy to be at work.
Oh yeah.
Like we're all.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for the lift. Time to take the best shower ever. Yes. Crank up the AAC. The main thing though is a Nemo. That guy's hard to find, but we found him thanks to Benny. Shout outs to Benny. Ocean rafting. I've linked it below if ever you find yourself here in Airlie Beach and you want to tour the Whitsundays. I highly recommend ocean rafting. It was a good experience.
It's in the top 1% of TripAdvisor businesses worldwide.
There you go.